What are some basic eye exercises I can start with? Let's train eye muscles like a pro. Alright folks, let's start with eye palming. Just you, your hands, and a chance to give your eyes a well-deserved break. You simply cover your eyes with your palms and voila, instant darkness. It's like taking your eyeballs to a spa, except you don't need a reservation. Take a deep breath. Let your eyes chill out. You just cover your eyes with your hands and let the darkness do its thing. It's like sending your eyes on a mini vacation. No packing required. Dynamic relaxation, a little swaying. A lot of mental eye relaxation. Next up, we've got dynamic relaxation, but all it means is a little gentle swaying left to right. Picture this, you're sitting there swaying softly, relaxing, and it's like your whole body says, wow. That's the mental relaxation. Relax psych, relax eyes. This is your moment to set the vibe for your eye workout. Let's get those eye muscles into a relaxing mode before the eye training begins. Draw a circle, but with your eyeballs. Ever tried to trace a circle in the air with your eyes? Sound easy, right? Wrong. This little move will have you wondering if your eyes ever went to geometry class. Okay, here comes the fun part. Pretend you are drawing a circle in the air, but with your eyes. No pencil, no paper, just you and your vision. Start slow, tracing the outline of invisible circle. And make sure to keep the motion smooth, clockwise and counterclockwise. Your goal here to make your eyeballs feel like they are floating around the circle. Rotate your eyes in a big smooth circle, clockwise first and then switch up to and go counterclockwise, nice and smooth. Up, right, left. The eye workout you didn't know you needed. Now stretch your eye muscle. Look up, look right, look left, by diagonals. To remove eye strain and make your eye muscle flexible. And if anyone asks why you're moving your eyes around, just tell them that you are working out. No gym membership required. And relax again. Your eyes have earned it. Finally, after all that hard work, it's time to relax again. Close your eyes, do a quick palming session if you want, and let your eyeballs kick back like they're lounging on a beach. Think of it as a cool down after intense yoga class. Your eyes deserve a break after all that movement. Check Eyesight Academy course with well-structured eye training plan. Conclusion: stretching eye muscles. Who knew your eyes could get a full eye workout? But they do so much for you, it's only fair to show them a little love. These basic exercises might sound silly, but trust me, they work well for improving eye health. So start swaying, circle drawing and stretching those eyeballs, and soon you will have the results.